Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do a automatic reply message. So when you're out of the office and you don't want to reply to messages or you don't want to leave people hanging, you would do an automatic reply message. So how you would do that is first go to File. From there, just click on automatic replies. From here, this is where you can configure your automatic replies. So right here, just click on Send Automatic Replies. From here, you can configure your message. For me, I just wrote, "Thank you for your message. I'm studying for the Outlook MOS certification exam and will check messages soon." That message, I still want to leave it on there. So from there, you can, same thing as similar to Word, you can configure what kind of font you would like to use. So from here, you can choose from all these other fonts. You can choose from down here as well, whatever one that looks pretty to you. Here you can leave it as bolded or not as bolded. So same thing as how your Word from how your Microsoft Word will actually look like. You can even do it from when the time range that you have left the office. So you can leave it from starting now and the end time. You can pick it all from next week or to the month after, depending on how long you are planning to leave your office. So just click OK, and you now have an automatic reply. Hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next video. And also you can turn it off as well, so meaning it says that when you come back from the office and you don't want it to be there, so coming back from the office early and you no longer want your automatic replies, you can turn it off manually as well. Hope this helps, and bye for now.